He's here, but looks like he is he's muted.
Hello.
Hey. Oops, he's gone again.
Then he will come or not.
He tricked
Yeah,
us.
you can start, Jaya. I'm just muting it because I'm outside.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, okay.
What's the problem here is the phone number is not editable. If I click backspace means it erases that last number and adding everything become one. After that, I'm unable to do anything. This is a big bug here, unable to edit anything from the phone number. After 3 numbers, if I try to edit also, it's not editable. Here, if I press anything backspace or delete button, nothing will happen. While deleting, it's
Okay.
replaced with 1. This is the one bug. It should be editable fully.
Yeah, I think Arsar made the changes with the profile not editable. It made it here also, I guess.
Okay. Because for the first 3 numbers, after I type once it become a segment, I am unable to edit. Here, what happened?
Did you saw any errors in the console logs?
I will directly show you. No errors.
Not network in console log.
Status of final.
No, try to edit it.
Okay. I am pressing back button. It's not at all moving. If I want to show
Okay.
again, I have to come to this place after only if all the numbers become ones means I am not unable to edit.
Okay. Other numbers are editable. Like if you change it, initially if you give number different number, you are editable.
No. I once again I will come. Understand. Phone number. I'll type first 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, if I try to
Right.
backspace, it's not working. Console, what is it? Console. Once it becomes 3 numbers, it's not editable. Again, you put 4, 5, 6. Now I'm pressing 7, 8, 9. If I press backspace means it will replace by 1 from left to right. If I press
No,
the
just
back,
you are editing the numbers, right? Just
yeah, for editing already it's 10 number. For editing I have to give backspace, no. Either backspace or delete. Then only I can edit, no. It's not allowing.
I'm asking a question that no, I'm asking a question if it is editable, non-editable for all numbers, for our one number test cases. My question is simple, Jaya. It's non-editable for all ones, or it's non-editable for any numbers.
Non-editor for all numbers, Arun. After that, I am unable to do anything. If I press backspace, it will
Okay.
replace by 1. After all the numbers become 1, I am unable to do anything. If I like
Okay.
to give
You are
5 instead of, if I like to give 5 instead of 8, it's not possible. Or 4 instead of something 6, that is also not possible. If you check it once, you can able to understand what's the problem maybe. Okay, I will move on to the next part. Here what the problem is, I created for a same event 21 to 27 groups. I added first 6 members, 3 males, 3 females. It's done perfectly. After that I added 1 male. I like to create another group, but it's add it in the same group itself. Maximum allocation is 6 only, but it's done for 9. Even if I add another user, the count will be definitely it will become 10 by 6.
okay. The added user is a male user, you are saying.
Yeah. I will
All the 3 new users are male users.
4 male, 4 female, 1 binary.
Non-binary. It's happening for a real-time scenario without non-binary.
Yeah, that time also.
You are sure,
After
correct?
5th only I added a binary one.
No, I'm asking without non-binary.
Without binary also it creates some other problem. After seeing that, I don't want to create another. It's a big bug. I will try with
Not. I
I will
understand it's a
try
big bug.
without binary also. Let's see what will happen.
Yeah, that's a test case we need to do, right? Whether it's happening when we are doing the testing for non-binary, because non-binary is the test case we are executing now only. We never executed non-binary test cases before.
Okay. Yeah, I will try with without binary and check in the scope.
There are now enough events and everything. I put enough events in for everything.
Yeah, thanks.
I have a question back on the phone number. So what are you saying, that you put a phone number in and then you want to change the phone number and then you can't change it?
Yeah.
Okay. So I tried that on mine and I can do it. I can make a change.
For you?
I did a new registration on the build on that. So am I being bad here, Arun? So I should be doing this on the web app and not on the mobile?
Yeah, web app, not mobile. Lorry. Mobile, we didn't have the new build, right? It's an old build. Because last changes we discussed, Jay told we need to disable the phone number edit, right? That maybe I think during that edit it may get this issue, I guess. By fixing that, it caused this issue, I guess.
Right. So I'm confused. I thought the mobile app was still pulling from all of the database that the web app is pulling from.
Code is different, database is same, right? Code is different. Code repository is different, and I didn't provide the build
right.
because I did the fix in the mobile app version also, but I didn't provide the build because I have a limit of 15 builds per month, so I didn't provide the build for mobile app yet. I need to make at least 10 or 20 changes, and then I can build the mobile app.
Okay, but so I just did this on the mobile app, and the phone number thing is working fine.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Lori. I didn't make the build for mobile app with the recent changes. I need to make at least 10 or 15 changes to build a mobile app because I have only 15 builds per month. I can't.
No. I that's not. Yeah, that's not a problem. I'm just trying to understand that you said you haven't made the changes in the mobile, but okay. So
no, I made the changes in mobile app, but I didn't push the changes to the build. You have the build from 3 days old, right? I did it from the last call. The mobile app, like the mobile number changes.
So whatever work you did with the mobile app, I don't need to know the details, but whatever work you did with the mobile app, then that's making the phone number work fine. But on the web app, it's not working fine.
That's what, Lori. I need to test that because the build I provided to working it. It's not having the latest changes or the mobile number changes which they asked in the Monday call.
Yeah. Okay. I'll just hold off on my confusion. Okay.
Yeah, you can test it in web app. It will have the issue. If I test it in my local mobile app, maybe it will have the issue. But I need to test it because it's based on the keystroke.
Right. I'm just okay. So all I'm letting you know is on the Android build download, the phone number's working. No, I'm just saying it is.
Yeah, the build the build we have, it's working. The build I didn't provide the new build. Maybe in the new build it may be broken because of the changes we did. After Monday I didn't provide any build for you.
Right. Well, this is the latest.
These changes
it's the latest
these changes
build.
I did it in my local for mobile app because I didn't push it into. I didn't generate the build for mobile app yet.
Yeah. Right. I understand all of that. I'm just figuring out, yeah, I'm just figuring out some things in my own head. No, I know that there's all of these pieces and everything, and I guess the difference is in them. So, sorry, I took us off. Sorry, my bad. So we're focusing on the web app, and this is what's happening in the web app. I got confused and thought that stuff was the same, and it's not, and so we can move forward.
Here what the problem I have faced is, here I created 3 male and 3 female. After that I added 1 female, male, female, and 14 is here. Now female. Everything is it created new group. If I add 1 user means it will not join in the same existing group. It will move to the new group. It will again, I added another user, again it will move to the new group. Another user, it will move to the new group. Fully like that. After that, for the offered also, it's showing a group. Arun.
Okay.
Actually, after this one, we have 10, around 10 new groups.
Can you click on the 6x6 and see how many users, male and female?
3 male, 3 female.
Okay. Can you scroll down and see which one will be offered the 7th one? It's a female one. Okay. We fixed all these issues. I don't know how these issues are now populating. I spent 2 or 3 days for this, fixing all these issues.
Okay. Here in that introduction card shows 9 members for that 9 group.
Oh, that is because of that non-binary, right? You are going to retest it. This non-binary is causing a lot of issues now.
And while creating but in the front page it shows only 6 members. In one introduction card it shows 6 members, in another card it shows 9. That's the thing.
So if the number of users in the group is 9, then it will show 9.
Yeah, in one thing it shows the friend card only 6 only. Not even the concerned person who is entered also, it's not showing that number.
In which card it's not showing, in which card it's showing?
Yeah, I will move it.
Oops.
Here only showing 6 members, but this is the 9 card. Here after downloading it shows 9. A greeting card it shows 6. The concerned person.
Okay, can I click on greeting card? Can I click on greeting card once again? Okay, it's showing 6. Can I click on note card?
Okay. Today's status. Here shows 9.
Okay. Okay. So restriction is not there. Okay.
Other things I have verified that visible some of that you have fixed. The main thing what we need first is that allocations that is need to be fixed first. The gender based balance.
Yeah, I understand that. But how we missed this in previous testing? That's what I'm worried. We had almost 2 months of testing we did.
Yes, last meeting I told you that after 6 it any user create.
We tested. We are testing it for more than 2 months, not last meeting, Monday meeting. I'm discussing about 2 months.
We tried only with 1 or 2 users. That's the thing. Now only we created more users.
So we didn't test the core functionality before.
And another thing is all our fake IDs. If it is the mail ID is having any verification means it's good. Sending verify mail.
No, that one this one we creating it. If we added a verification, we can't create one more than one ID for verification. We kept it because for the just for verifying the email ID is valid or not. We didn't have any logic. If we send an email and the user didn't click the verification email, after 2 weeks or 3 weeks also they are not going to log in. We can forcefully ask them to verify it, but I am not sure whether user will be confirming their email and then proceed with the registration process. I'm not sure because here it'll work little different here. We can force them, but it's a low risk decision.
Because here I created 20 email ID. I don't get any emails, welcome email or any verify email. All are fake IDs. Not
Yeah, because obviously it will throw an error from Bravo that email ID is not available.
okay.
Like what is it, bounce emails for all those emails.
Because I will not go to that search engine to check whether yeah, okay, that's, these are all my updates. I saw
Yeah,
some.
I don't, yeah. I just did my own test, Arun, on the mobile. Yeah, obviously something has changed because it wasn't, so I did a second user, clicked on the same event, and it's, now it's 1 of 6 again, rather than 2 of 6 or more.
Yeah, I think the non-binary is the causing issue, I guess.
Oh, you mean even though, I see, so the non-binary can affect all the other ones even though they're female and male?
Yeah.
Because I did not use non-binary in either of those users.
No, the non-binary is already available, then it's causing issue, I guess, because we modified recently the logic for non-binary, right? It's a freebie, it can join in any group. I think after that, the duplication logic is not happening correctly, I guess. Before, I remember because this is the first issue in December, like the duplication logic for different groups. And we changed the group numbers also from 4 to 2, 3.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, Lori. Yeah, I will check on that in the later tonight and see.
Any other update comment we have?
I don't have any new updates. Arun?
No, Lori, I'm working on the push notification. Still, I need to work. I didn't have the time to work on that. I was working on my other project. So,
Sure.
yeah.
Okay. So, moving forward, JO is still testing, right?
Yeah, I will continue.
Yeah.
Jaya, like when you're testing, you need to test both scenarios, like how it was working before and how we are testing it. We test both because that way we can identify the changes. We modified that.
Okay.
Yeah, also you can in your local. Yeah, if you find any bug in production, you can just revert one version in your local and try to test the same and see how it is in the code. And
Oh.
you're able to identify, okay, this version is having issue, then yeah. Because phone number was working before, now it's having issue because we disable number, right? In profile page, maybe that's causing here also issue, I guess.
Yeah, okay, I'll check.
Jaya, is it possible, can we do the meeting on Tuesday rather than Monday?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay. I guess that's it for now.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.